This week we take Rustic Rehabs on the road. My daughter and husband and I traveled to Minneapolis to go to the graduation of my son Adam from the University of Minnesota. He says all he wants for his graduation is for people to watch his short film, which was his senior thesis, The Dream Economy. So find a link in the description or the comments and please go give it a watch. It's pretty clever, just like my kid. And if you know anybody who's looking for someone in Minneapolis, my kid's looking for a job in film business. He's pretty awesome. I'm biased, but he's pretty awesome. So we stopped in Eau Claire on the way home, and pink tags were 50% off, and we were able to score a little bit. Our car was pretty full with all of our luggage and stuff coming back from Minneapolis, so I had to be careful about what I bought. This Goodwill was a little smaller than what I'm used to, but the prices were okay, and it was very clean and organized, so I was able to find some good deals, even though I was trying to go fast. We were also getting ready for our debut Rustic Rehabs community rummage and craft sale in our parking lot. So we had it this weekend. It was a success, and I'm going to try to be pickier about stuff that I pick up because some of these things I sold this weekend were in my shop for a couple of years in storage, waiting for me to use them. It takes time to figure out what works in your store, what your style is, what people are over, all of that. And so you do tend to accumulate things that you don't use, and your tastes kind of grow over the time and mature. Case in point, Dunne stuff. That used to be everywhere a few years ago, and it's pretty passé now. I do know in some parts of the country people still like it, but by me, I couldn't give it away. I've also got some good stuff left over, some pottery and crocks and stuff like that. And I'm thinking about having a Facebook live sale sometime in the next couple of weeks. Drop me a comment if you would like to see me have a sale. I used to do them all the time. It's just really hard to keep up. Our next big event is June 21st, which is a Saturday, and it is our 4th anniversary. So there's going to be deals and all kinds of fun. Please mark your calendar and come out and join us that day. We really love this community that we've made, and we're ready to have some fun with you. We always have fun, but some dedicated anniversary fun. I'll drop a link down in the comments or the description so you can hit going so we know how many people to expect. I'm probably going to get cake or something because I really love me some cake. This guy was cute. He was just nothing particularly special about him, so I ended up putting him back. But I really did like this Santa. He needs some work, but that's the way we roll at Rustic Rehabs, so we will fix him up and he'll be put away until Christmas time. This was a rookie mistake. This thing is very cool. I've sold a few of these before, but if you look at the top one, look how it's collapsed. It's actually broken. So we're trying to get that fixed and then it will be put out. This is so cute for a girl's room or any kind of girly space. The Just Breathe sold already, and this bike is really cute. I think I got this. I can't remember. And the bunny we got, and we'll put him away till spring. This store was a lot smaller than I was used to because after this aisle, I was kind of done with the home decor and I went, wait, that's it? Where's the rest? So I did take another pass through, but I ended up spending about $38 at this store and got some really cute stuff, and then we were on our way. Both of these Goodwills had a lot of new stuff. So these are new, the blankets are new. I was really surprised by this. All these rugs were new, so just kind of keep that in mind. It might be a good deal if you're looking for this kind of stuff. I did score this Afghan that someone lovingly made. It still had the tag on it, and so this is available on my website or in my store. One last find and we are on our way. This next stop was a quick one. My daughter and husband waited in the car. This is in Tomah, Wisconsin, and it was a tiny little Goodwill. Again, they had a bunch of new things, and I found about $40 worth of cute things here. Here's a pic of my $38 cart, and then we moved on to Tomah. This next one was itty bitty in Tomah, Wisconsin. It was very well organized. It had a bunch of new things too, but I only had about 15 minutes because my husband and daughter were waiting in the car. I like this tree, but I did not like the back of it, so we put this back. But I did grab this really cool Joy pillow for about $3, I think. Pink tags were half off, so I did grab a couple of these. I thought these would look good on a wreath or something used to embellish. I probably would have got this guy, but he needed some work and he was bigger than I had room for, so we put him back. I did grab this though. I'm thinking it's Joseph with some sheep, so that is very cute for Christmas time. I'm all about the joy, so I bought that sign, and I love these birds. I know these will sell really fast. In fact, I know some of you probably will want them now, but they're already packed away, so you'll have to wait. This was cute, but I wasn't going to buy it for $3 when it was $5 at Target. If I would have been home and had space, I probably would have grabbed that and put some greenery in it, but this is the way it is. I liked him too, but we were out of space, so I was trying to be really, really picky. It was kind of hard. I did find a way to squeeze in this little necklace holder for $3. Things were very nicely displayed at this store too. I had a great time stopping at these different Goodwills. It always gives you a good perspective on what you have in the places you're used to shopping. But I enjoyed my time. I spent 40 bucks on this cart full of goodies, and then we were back on our way home. It's been a crazy busy 7 days. I am ready to kick back and take some naps and relax, and I wish you guys the same. Happy Memorial Weekend. Take great care.